Car interiors often become a magnet for crumbs, dust, and debris, turning a clean vehicle into a challenge. A reliable cordless car vacuum can transform this task, making it quick and effortless. The right car vacuum not only simplifies cleaning, but also keeps your car looking spotless and refreshed. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best cordless car vacuum of 2025. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5, we have the MONOZEL Cordless Car Vacuum. This handheld cordless vacuum is your ultimate ally for small spaces, cars, and pet messes. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 15,000 Pascal suction, ideal for tackling dirt, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. It features 2 modes, a powerful max mode and an eco mode for everyday cleaning. The lightweight design, just 1.4 pounds, ensures effortless portability, whether you're cleaning your car, home, or office. The built-in LED light makes cleaning in dark corners or nighttime messes a breeze. Equipped with a long-lasting battery that supports up to 26 minutes of use, it charges fully in 4 hours via a Type-C cable. The 2 reusable HEPA filters enhance cleaning efficiency while being easy to maintain. Perfect for busy lifestyles, this vacuum balances convenience, power, and affordability. Number 4, we have the Upbooz Cordless Car Vacuum. This cordless vacuum cleaner combines strong 14,000 Pascal suction with air-blowing functionality, making it versatile for cleaning and dust removal. Compact and lightweight at just 1 pound, it's perfect for quick cleanups in cars, homes, or offices without the hassle of cords. Its ergonomic design and one-click dust removal add to its user-friendly appeal. The LCD screen is a standout feature, displaying battery levels and suction modes for better control. Equipped with dual-layer filtration, including a washable HEPA filter and metal mesh, it ensures thorough cleaning while maintaining strong suction. The LED light is excellent for spotting hidden dust in tight spaces or during nighttime use. While its battery lasts up to 30 minutes in eco mode, it charges in just 3.5 to 4 hours, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Compact yet powerful, it's a reliable cleaning companion. Number 3, DRECELL Cordless Car Vacuum. This wired car vacuum offers a practical solution for keeping your car interior spotless. With a 7,000 Pascal suction powered by a DC 12-volt motor, it efficiently tackles dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. Its 16.4-foot cord easily reaches every corner, from seats to the trunk, making it compatible with any vehicle type. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dark spots like under seats, ensuring a thorough clean. Despite its lightweight design at just 1.75 pounds, the vacuum features a 0.33 liters dust cup, reducing frequent emptying. It comes with multiple cleaning tools, including a crevice nozzle, dusting brush, and extendable hose, perfect for versatile cleaning tasks. The washable HEPA filter ensures sustained suction power while being easy to maintain. Complete with a storage bag, this vacuum is a convenient, budget-friendly option for everyday car care. Number 2, we have the Blestan Cordless Car Vacuum. This portable cordless vacuum is a reliable choice for quick cleanups at home, in the car, or the office. Its upgraded technology delivers dual suction modes, offering a powerful 9 kilopascal suction for tough messes and a standard mode for lighter tasks. Despite its robust performance, it weighs just 1.6 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to maneuver. Designed for convenience, the vacuum features a 12-ounce dustbin and washable HEPA filters, ensuring simple maintenance and long-lasting performance. With a 20 to 30-minute runtime after a 3 to 4 hour charge, it's perfect for tackling daily messes efficiently. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit spaces, while thoughtful additions like an anti-fall baffle and multiple attachments allow for precise cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Compact, lightweight, and effective, it's an essential tool for maintaining a clean and organized environment. Number 1, we have the Fanttik Cordless Car Vacuum. This top-tier handheld vacuum combines versatility and power in a lightweight design. With an impressive 19,000 Pascal suction from its 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it easily tackles stubborn dust, debris, and pet hair. It features 2 suction modes: Eco mode for up to 40 minutes, and Max mode for high-intensity cleaning lasting 13 minutes. The 4-in-1 functionality sets it apart, offering vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping capabilities. The vacuum comes with 10 practical attachments, such as a flexible hose for tight spots and specialized brushes for pet hair and fabrics, making it a go-to tool for detailed cleaning tasks. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, its compact design is perfect for cars, desks, or even keyboards. Fast Type-C charging gets it ready in just 2.5 hours, and the one-touch emptying feature ensures mess-free maintenance. A truly innovative cleaning companion. A clean car interior doesn't have to be a challenge. These vacuums bring practical solutions to everyday messes, offering efficiency and ease for any situation. From compact designs to powerful suction, there's a choice here for every need, making car maintenance simple and stress-free. Let me know in the comments which cordless car vacuum is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.